corporate law firms versus boutique law firms, which one is better for startups seeking legal advice? Starting a business is exciting, but navigating the legal landscape can be tricky. Most startups get this wrong by assuming all law firms offer the same value. The surprising truth is that corporate law firms and boutique law firms serve very different needs, and choosing the right one can save time, money, and stress. Corporate law firms are typically large, full-service firms with vast resources and a wide network of specialists. They handle complex transactions, mergers, acquisitions, and regulatory compliance. For startups planning rapid growth or seeking venture capital, corporate law firms provide the credibility and expertise needed to navigate high-stakes deals. They can offer everything from corporate structuring to international legal support under one roof. Boutique law firms, on the other hand, are smaller and more specialized. They focus on specific areas like startup promotion, tech law, or intellectual property. Their advantage lies in personalized attention and often more flexible pricing. For early-stage startups, boutique firms provide hands-on guidance, helping founders understand contracts, protect intellectual property, and stay compliant without breaking the bank. So which is better for startups? It depends on your stage and goals. Early-stage startups with limited budgets often benefit from boutique firms' focused expertise and approachable service. They can guide you through incorporation, fundraising rounds, and licensing agreements efficiently. Later-stage startups aiming for large-scale expansion or international investment may prefer the resources and reputation of a corporate law firm. The key takeaway is to assess your startup's current needs and growth ambitions. Choose a firm that aligns with your budget, complexity, and long-term vision. The right legal partner isn't just about experience, it's about understanding your business, guiding you through challenges, and helping you scale safely. Picking the right firm can make a huge difference, turning legal headaches into strategic advantages for your startup's future.